What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, and Happy New Year. Today I am doing a taking down my Christmas tree and my holiday decorations video. So we're going to be taking down all the holiday decorations for you guys, and also if this video is a little bit late, that is because we just officially got back from Las Vegas and I have like 4 videos I'm putting out before this video. So I did want to make sure I had footage for you guys so you can kind of see what I do and how I do it and everything. And if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I have a lot of videos coming this year. I am so excited for 2018. We're going to be organizing, cleaning, decluttering, doing all kinds of fun stuff. Day in the life videos so you guys can see kind of a little bit behind the scenes and my life and everything, and just get to know me a little bit better and all of that good stuff. But other than that, I am just going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do here is just go ahead and take down all of the balls and ornaments from the tree, and I'm just going to put them back in this little case that the balls came from.
Some nights I'm having a hard time keeping my head above the water. Cold breath, I cannot stand up, too much weight on my shoulders. Messed up, I want to stay together, but I need someone who's holding. And oh, I have someone who's holding when you call it like me.
So these little red containers actually have multiple of these containers, and that's what I use just to keep all of my Christmas and holiday decor in. And then this is a new trick that we are doing. We got it from my father-in-law, where we're just going to stick the blue tarp underneath the tree so we can make this transition a lot cleaner and less of a mess. So what I did here is basically put the blue tarp under the tree and under the skirt, so when we tip it over and carry it out of the house, we are not going to have all the little needles and everything all over the house. And that happens far too often if you have a real tree.
Sometimes it feels like I'm just dancing on the border. Tether, without you I would be lost around the corners. Steady, but only as long as I get you there too.
So as you can see here, there's not a lot on the ground. I did have to sweep some up, and it gave me a little pile, but I didn't have it throughout the house, which is nice. Usually I'll have a whole trail all the way out to the front door, and that just didn't happen. So I love this tip. If you guys have a real tree next year, definitely try this out.
With you all the way to the moon, if you're keeping it together too.
So I didn't do anything fancy here. I just wrapped up ornaments within like the stockings and things that can kind of protect it. Everything's really protected in these crates. You can't really apply pressure to the crate and it like break anything. So as long as I store everything in there smart, then everything's pretty safe. I never have any broken decor or anything. So luckily I did save some of the boxes for some of my decor pieces, so I can just put it back in the original box and put that in storage.
Magic, you're lifting off the shade from my mood. I'm keeping it together for you. I'll go with you all the way to the moon. If you're keeping it together too.
So I noticed in the little North Pole mailbox that we had stuffed some things in there that shouldn't be in there. So I am going to take off the Christmas pillow covers and put those away for the year and pull back out the original pillows. I am really excited for this because, as you guys know, teal and aqua, those are my favorite colors, and my house has a lot of hints of that, so I love it. It is just my happy color. So here I'm just picking up all of the Christmas toys that Ava got for Christmas. We actually just got back from Vegas here, so her and her grandparents were just hanging out all week, and we kind of just let her leave her toys everywhere and stuff. So now we're just kind of clean everything up, get it back in her room, and start fresh for the new year. So I did decide I'm going to keep one of her toys down here. It's her arts and crafts table, so then she can kind of just play with it when I'm cleaning or cooking or something like that.
Everything's still on my mind all the time. Yeah, all the time when I think it over. I remember you said one night you would never leave this town on your own, but now you're gone. We were the concrete pilots, driving around too fast until everything burned to the silent night. We were the concrete pilots, waiting around for life to catch up and show the guiding light. The guiding light. I don't blame you for it, for leaving without saying why, but I wonder, still wonder. 'Cause I too got over it, but I really wanna know if you even recall me.
And then this is the closet where we keep all of our storage besides things that are out in the garage, so it's really handy.
Said one night you would never leave this town on your own, but now you're gone. We were the concrete pilots, driving around too fast until everything burned to the silent night. We were the concrete pilots, waiting around for life to catch up and show the guiding light. We were the concrete pilots, bound to the silent night.
Alright you guys, I'm all done taking down our decorations and kind of just cleaning up just a little bit. I just tidied up, so I feel really good. I got everything cleaned up. And if you guys have any other video requests, don't forget to leave those in the comments, and also say hi to me just to let me know that you guys were here and you guys were watching. So I will see you guys in another video. I love you, and bye.